Fitcamx dual dash cam for Toyota Corolla 2023 to 2025, OEM style and 4K front. Ever felt frustrated by bulky dash cams that ruin your car's sleek interior? Wires dangling, suction cups obstructing your view, and messy installs can be a headache. Drop a comment if this hits home, because the Fitcamx Front 4K plus rear 1080p dash cam integrates seamlessly like OEM, giving you discreet, professional recording without the clutter. Traffic incidents, unexpected collisions, or missed moments can leave you stressed, especially without reliable recording. Imagine having a dash cam that records 4K front and 1080p rear video, connects wirelessly via the Fitcamx app, and stores everything on a 128GB card, all with zero visible wires. Now, peace of mind while driving is not just a dream, but a reality. Introducing the Fitcamx Front 4K plus rear 1080p dash cam, designed specifically for Toyota Corolla 2023 to 2025 sedan, hybrid, and hatchback models. With OEM-style integration, it replaces your rearview mirror shroud for a factory-installed look. No wires, no suction cups, nothing obstructing your view. The front camera captures stunning 4K UHD video, while the rear records in 1080p, both with wide-angle lenses and WDR for superior night vision. Installation is a breeze. Remove the stock housing, clip in the dash cam, and connect the single power line cable. Built-in Wi-Fi lets you connect to the Fitcamx app, view footage, and download videos directly to your phone. Loop recording ensures storage never fills up, and the G-sensor locks crucial clips during collisions. One Corolla owner shared how easily the dash cam was installed in under 10 minutes with no tools, giving their vehicle a discreet, high-tech upgrade. Bonus tip: the included 128GB microSD card provides ample storage for weeks of driving footage. Finally, high-quality ABS plus PC construction ensures durability and reliability, even under extreme temperatures. The Fitcamx dual dash cam transforms how you capture your drives. With dual-channel recording, you get full coverage of the road and rear traffic. Automotive tech experts praise its OEM-style design. By leveraging the vehicle's own power source, it eliminates messy cables and obstructed views. This is a huge step forward in dash cam integration. Influencers note the value of the 4K front camera and 128GB memory card. Everything you need for complete setup is included out of the box. Picture quality is sharp, and transitions from bright to dark are handled perfectly. Users love the simple installation. Plug and play was so easy, and the Wi-Fi app lets me manage videos effortlessly. It looks like it came from the factory. Loop recording combined with the G-sensor ensures critical footage is never overwritten. Night vision is clear, dynamic range impressive, and the sleek black design blends perfectly with the Corolla interior. Imagine driving with complete confidence, knowing every incident, road event, or scenic drive is captured flawlessly. Which feature would give you the most peace of mind? 4K front recording, OEM integration, or easy Wi-Fi access? Comment below. Thousands of Corolla owners trust Fitcamx for discreet, reliable, and professional dash cam coverage. Limited stock. Upgrade your Toyota Corolla with the Fitcamx Front 4K plus rear 1080p dash cam today. Enjoy OEM-style integration, dual-channel HD recording, Wi-Fi connectivity, and a preloaded 128GB memory card, all in one discreet, plug-and-play package. Join thousands of satisfied drivers who've enhanced their vehicle's safety and style. Don't wait. Click now to secure your dash cam. Capture every moment with crystal-clear detail and experience worry-free driving with technology that looks and works like it came from the factory.